Hey guys, Liz Pevytoe here. Just finished up at the gym and I have got myself all riled up today. And when I get myself this upset about something, I have to go live about it or I just can't stop thinking about it. And so I am going to go live and I'm going to release it and let it go. So this message is for you. If you were in network marketing, MLM, multi-level marketing, you need to listen to this message because I'm sick of the lies circulating, and I'm sick of the companies holding people hostage within network marketing, and I speak from experience with this. So what on earth are you talking about, Liz? So here's the thing. I am so very sick and tired of leaders talking out of both sides of their mouths. And what do I mean by that? I mean that leaders will be like, oh, yay, multiple streams of income is so awesome, blah, 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 until they find out that their team members are making more money in one of those other streams, and then they're like, oh my gosh, you've got to stay loyal, blah 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 blah, and start making people feel guilty for paying their bills and making people feel guilty for building wealth. It is absolutely positively ridiculous. You can't talk out of both sides of your mouth. But let me remind you of something. A few little facts that seem to have been forgotten in this conversation, okay? Fact number one is that 99% of people who go into network marketing, MLM, as a business, 99% of them fail, okay? Let me tell you another fact. Those that are hanging on into a network marketing business, most people do not make enough money to cover their auto ship every month. I know this for a fact because guess what? I've been involved in network marketing as a business builder, and it has cost me money. Like, cost me lots of money, because you have the auto ship and then you go to the conventions and you buy all the gear and you pay for the classes and the samples and all that. And guess what? Most of the time you don't make any money. Also, as a leader, somebody who built a team, I built what I consider a considerable size team with a large essential oils company. I was with them for 5 years. And I had over 1,200 people on my team. And I saw month after month, the majority of my team not making any money. And get this, listen to this. They were doing all the right things. They were teaching the classes. They were going live. They were sending out the samples. They were doing all the right things, and they still weren't making money. Okay? Also, the last venture that I was in was a travel gig, okay? Was going awesome. Awesome. I gave away free travel savings websites, okay? And then guess what happened? COVID hit. And so travel got shut down. So our model wasn't working. And they were supposed to be releasing some new products and new things within our company, but I had a bunch of people on my team who were wanting to build a business, and month after month after month they were paying that $100 a month membership fee to be in the company, and they weren't making any money. And as a leader, when they would reach out to me and say, Liz, my husband's getting upset because this is, here we are 6 months into COVID and, I'm not making any money. And I said, girl, stop. If you need to stop, stop. I never, ever one time said, oh no, you need to stick it out because we might get a good product or something where you could start. No. from a place of integrity, I didn't talk one person out of quitting, because that was their budget. That was their family budget. No way was I going to be okay with watching them take money out of their grocery budget just to stay as... Listen, if you're in network marketing as a business builder, I'm a huge fan. I've seen 18-year-olds make 6 figures in network marketing. I myself came out of a 20-year profession as a registered nurse where I was totally burned out, and was able to leave that profession of nursing because of network marketing. I think it's an amazing opportunity. I think it is a level playing field. Some people with no sales experience, no nothing, if you have a really great product and you're able to share, I think you can succeed in network marketing. And like I said, I'm a huge fan. What I'm not a fan of is leaders and people holding people hostage when it's not working for them. When you've done all the things, you have, read the books, you've done the affirmations, you've gone to the conventions, you've got yourself hyped up, you've taught the classes, you have, like I said, you've sampled, you've done the 3-way calls, you've done it all, and it's not working for you. It is time to find another stream of income. This is just business, guys. It's not personal. Stop allowing people and companies to guilt trip you into staying. If you want to keep using the product, keep using the product. I am personally, right now, a member of 3 different network marketing companies as a customer. I'm not promoting any of them. I love their products. It's stuff that I cannot get at Amazon or Walmart. I love it. I love the products, but I'm not promoting them. You can still love a product and use a product and not be striving to try to sell it all the time. Okay? But let me talk about one more thing before I let you go, okay? Let's talk about the lie of generational wealth that gets thrown out there at all the time within the network marketing community, okay? I'm building generational wealth, okay? Network marketing has been around for over 60 years in the United States. 60 years. That means a lot of our grandparents and our parents have done network marketing, okay? My grandmother did. My grandmother was in World Book Childcraft way back when I was a little girl, and I'm 47 years old. So over 40 years ago, she built a really big business with World Book Childcraft. Really big. She was like a area manager. She had an office. It was kind of a big deal. We were really, really impressed with her success, okay? But guess what? When she stopped working that business, the income stopped. And I saw that personally with my essential oils business. When I started getting burned out and I quit working my business, I was losing way more customers per month than I was gaining. Even though I had a lot of business builders underneath me, when I stopped working, the income went down. I went from making $5,000 a month to $4,000 a month to $3,000 a month. You see what I'm saying? Like you have to keep working it. How many people, let me ask you this question, and I would like for you to answer it. How many people do you know right now, because it's been around for 60 years, every single one of us should know at least one person who's living, if generational wealth through MLM and through network marketing is true, every single one of us watching this video right now should know someone who is living off a trust fund that was built by their parents or grandparents who were in network marketing. I'm waiting. Guess what? I don't know anybody, and I know a lot of people in network marketing. A lot of people. So it's so important for you to consider pursuing multiple streams of income. And when I say that, I'm not saying go look for another network marketing company. I'm not saying that at all. I'm not a big fan of having that multiple irons in the fire within the MLM industry. But what can you do? Ask yourself this question. What can you do to build multiple streams of income? Okay, I'm going to give you all some ideas. Okay, do you know something, or do you have a skill set that is valuable to other people? Can you write a book? Can you start a podcast? Can you make some YouTube videos? Can you create a course? Do you have a product in mind that you think would be valuable to the industry? Every single top earner in network marketing that I know is doing some of those things. They have a book, they have a course, they go to speaking engagements, or they have a product, guys. They are doing multiple streams of income, okay? Also, some other options would be to start a brick and mortar business, or a service-based business like consulting, or invest in a business that's a startup as one of their backers. You could do something like that. You could invest in stocks and bonds. You could invest in cryptocurrency, which is what I'm doing right now, and I love it. You could invest in land, and you can invest in heavy metals like gold and silver. My dad got me started with silver coins a long time ago, and I still have a passion for that. So the gist of this video, I know a lot of you have hopped on here at the end, but I really want you to go back and listen to the whole thing if you can, is that if you're not making the type of money that's changing your life within network marketing, please consider diversifying your portfolio. Do not have all your eggs in one proverbial basket as far as your income goes. Another little tip is, even if you are making really great money in network marketing, more than what you need to pay your bills every month, I strongly encourage you, after you tithe your 10%, which to me is mandatory, if you're a Christian, even if you're not a Christian, you should be tithing 10% of your income. Pay your taxes, or set aside money for your taxes, tithe, then set aside 10 to 20% to invest into something else. Because in the blink of an eye, your income can be gone. And let me tell you from personal experience, in 2019, the essential oils company that I have referred to several times here, they took away my entire income because of a Facebook post that they did not like about me. And guess what? That Facebook post was on this very topic, not quite as detailed, but it was on this very topic about how I was frustrated because I was watching my team members fail and not make money, and how I was tired of watching them fail, and I was tired of pushing them, and I felt like the model was broken. I didn't know what to do about it, but I was frustrated, and they did not like that post, and they canceled my account. I was not terminated, which is funny. They just stopped allowing me to order. And within network marketing, MLMs, if you don't place your monthly auto ship order, guess what? They don't pay you. So 5 years of me working in blood, sweat, and tears, going to all the conventions, going to all the trips, teaching all the classes, doing all the things, building myself up to a 4+ a month income within that company, it was gone overnight. Gone. 100% gone. So I learned such a valuable lesson during that time about how is mandatory that you don't have all your eggs in one basket. And Sherry says, can you please explain cryptocurrency sometime? Sherry, I have there's lots of posts on my timeline about it, and if you have more questions, you can contact me. I'm not going to do it here. So anyway, I love you guys. I'm praying that I can release it now that I have said it. The very last thing I want to say to you is that Jehovah Jireh is your provider, not your company. And if you put your faith, hope, and trust in Him, and Him alone, He will open the windows of heaven and pour out a blessing on you that you cannot even contain. That's what it says in Deuteronomy. It says that you will be blessed going in and blessed going out, and everything you put your hands to prospers. So hold true to that today and ask yourself, Lord, and ask the Lord, Lord, what can I do to prosper more? What opportunity do you have in store for me so I can be a blessing to my family and be a blessing to others? Because in the Bible it says a good man leaves an inheritance for his children's children. So, and they say that most Americans today die broke, and I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave an inheritance for my children's children. And I love you. I want that for myself. I want it for you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be back whenever I'm back. All right. Bye-bye, guys.